Yeah, good morning to one and all. This is Nagajyoti working as an assistant professor in Department of ECE in St. Peter's Engineering College. So, in this session, I want to discuss how to implement a Boolean function using a multiplexer. So, in the previous sessions, we have discussed about a topic of multiplexer, that is, which will convert a multiple inputs into a single output. And in case of a multiplexer, along with the inputs, we'll be having an extra more inputs such as select lines. So based upon the select line values, the corresponding input are going to be transmitted towards the output. So we have discussed what are the different multiplexers, that is 4 by 1 multiplexer, 8 by 1 multiplexer and 16 by 1 multiplexer, and how the functioning of those multiplexer is going to be done with IC as well as without IC, and how to cascade the multiplexer circuits. Now in this session, now let us discuss about a concept of how to implement any Boolean function by using a multiplexer circuit. Or in simple words, I can say that we are going to solve some sort of problems by using a multiplexer circuit. So here the topic is implementation of Boolean expressions or a combinational circuits. Implementation of a combinational circuit using multiplexer. Now let me take a Boolean expression and how to implement that by using an expression. Now the question is, implement the Boolean function, implement the Boolean function using 8 by 1 mux, and the Boolean function given is f is equivalent to sigma m of 1356, 1, 3, 5 and 6. So here they have given you need to implement this Boolean function which is 1356 by using an 8 by 1 multiplexer. So in case of an 8 by 1 multiplexer, it consists of 8 inputs, 1 output, and number of select lines are 3. That is, you can write 8 which is equivalent to 2 power 3. And if you observe this sigma m value, the highest value is 6. The 6 equivalent is 110, which itself consists of 3 bits. So here the number of select lines should be equivalent towards the number of bits. So we need to just draw an 8 by 1 multiplexer in which it consists of 3 select lines S2, S1 and S0 are A, B and C. And 8 inputs, those 8 inputs are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and a single output 1. And we know that among 8, the given question is 1, 3, 5, 6. Means if I am saying it as sigma m, for the corresponding one, the output is 1. For 3, output is 1. For 5, output is 1. For 6, output is 1. And whichever the numbers which are not there, the corresponding values are 0. So the given numbers are 1, 3, 5, 6. Short all those 1, 3, 5, 6 as these are equivalent to 1, connect it towards the 1. And all the leftover, that is 0, 2, 4 and 7. Short all those and connect towards 0. This is how to implement a Boolean function using an 8 by 1 multiplexer, and we know that along with this we are having an enable pin. This is 1 because I am assuming that enable pin is active, high enable. If it is active, low enable, keep this as enable bar. Instead of writing it as 1, represent it as 0. And This is the way how to represent a given Boolean function using an 8 by 1 multiplexer. Or the same question is, let me assume that this is by using an 8 by 1. Let me take the same question f is equivalent to sigma m1356 by using 4 by 1. The next one is using 4 by 1 multiplexer. But in the question, for the highest value is 6, the 6 equivalent is 3 bits. But in case of 4 by 1 multiplexer, 4 inputs, 1 output, 2 select lines. But the maximum value is 6, 6 equivalent is 110, which is of 3 bits. So for 3 bits I need to have 3 select lines, but here as I am having only 2 select lines, I need to take 1 select line as that of the input. So here the general way of 2 by 1 4 by 1 multiplexer is 4 inputs, 1 output, 2 select lines. But as I require other more which is having 6 equivalent of 3 bits, we need to take 1 as the input. So in order to do that, what I am doing over here is, I am assuming that A is the input. If you are assuming the select lines as MSB as input, you need to draw one way. If you are assuming LSB as input, you need to draw other way. How can you do that is, now, let me take this is A, B, C and output is Y. If there are 3 variables, you will be getting 8 different combinations. That is from 0 to 7. As in the question, I am having 1 as 1, 2 is 0, 3 is 1, 4 is 0, 5, 6 and 7 are 1. If you observe here, can I say for the first, if you are taking A into the consideration, MSB into the consideration, for the first 4 values I am getting A value is 0 and for the next values I am getting A value as 1. So here what I am doing over here is, I am assuming this in such a way that this is a 4 by 1 multiplexer. It is how many, what is the size of a multiplexer? 4 by 1 multiplexer. The select lines I am assuming it as B and C. I am assuming A value as the input and this is D0, D1, D2, D3 and this is output Y. Now write down D0, D1, D2, D3. As I am saying that I am considering A as the input, I am writing here A bar because for the first 4 numbers I am having A. Or D0 is nothing but what? 0, 0. D1 is 0, 1. D2 is 1, 0. D3 is 1, 1. This is A bar. This itself indicates 0. D0 is 0, 0. D1 is 0, 1. D2 is 1, 0. D3 is 1, 1. D3 is 1, 1. So here 0, 0, 0. This is 0. 0, 0, 1. 1. 0, 1, 0. 2. 0, 1, 1. 3. Next this is A. A itself indicates 1. This is A bar which is 0. This is A which is 1. 1, 0, 0. 4, 1, 0, 1, 5, 1, 1, 0, 6, 1, 1, 1, 7. So this is how to write down the table assuming A as the input. If it is C as the input, observe here we are having 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Means don't confuse. Just remember always take the MSB bit as input. That is better. Now after writing this tabular column, what you need to do over here is, whichever the numbers which are in the given question, just round off those. The numbers are 1, 3, 5, 6. Just circle the numbers which are there in the given question. Now if you observe here, in the D0 column, both of them are not circled. If both the numbers, if none of them are circled, keep it as 0. If all the numbers are circled, keep it as 1. If only 1 is circled, whatever the which is circle corresponding row you need to write down this is A. Here 3 is circled, the corresponding is A bar. So here D0 is what? 0. D1 is what? 1. D2 is A. D3 is A bar. From same A keep a NOT gate and connect. This is how to design a f equal to sigma m 3 variable expression by using 4 by 1 multiplexer. And as we know that we are having other more pin called as enable. This is enable, which is an active high, I am assuming. This is how to implement an 8 by 1 multiplexer using a 4 by 1. Now let me see the same thing by assuming, in this case I have assumed A as the input. Now let me assume C as the input. If C is input, I can write down this in such a way that I am assuming C as input. This is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is D0, D1, D2, D3. Now this is C bar and C. 0 0 0. This is 0. This is A B. Okay. 0 0. This is C bar. This is C. 0 0 1. This is 1. 0 1 0. 2, 3, 1 0 0, 4, 1 0 1, 5, 1 1 0, 6 and 7. The remaining, the only difference is if you are taking LSB into the consideration, the sequence will be in this way: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now circle the numbers which are there: 1 3 5, 6. As D0 is circled with this one, D0 is C. This is also C. This is also C. This is C bar. So how will you implement this? This is a 4 by 1 multiplexer. This is A. This is B. This is output 1. D0, D1, D2, D3. Short all these D0, D1, D2 and D3 connected towards the C. From the same C connect through the NOT gate and give it towards the D3. So just remember, if you are taking LSB into the consideration, the sequence will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How you are writing this also I have told you, because 0 0 0 equivalent is 0, 0 0 1 equivalent is 1, 0 1 0 equivalent is 2, 0 1 1 equivalent is 3, 1 0 0 4. Or if you are taking A into the consideration as the input, just write down D0, D1, D2, D3, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Please don't confuse with both the things. Always try to remember only these things so that it will be easy for you. So this is how to implement an 8 by 1 a 3 variable SOP expression by using a 4 by 1 multiplexer, either considering LSB as the input or MSB as the input. Let me solve some more problems based on the same 8 by 1 multiplexer implementation. Sorry, not 8 by 1. You can take any of the multiplexers, but based on these questions. Now let me take the other more example, which is nothing but implement a Boolean function f is equivalent to sigma m of 0 1 3 4 0 1 3 4 8 9 and 15 using 8 by 1. They won't specify which variable need to be considered as input. Just they'll specify what is the size of the multiplexer. So what is the highest number here? 15. What is 15 equivalent? 4 ones. That itself indicates the number of bits will represent the number of select lines. So here select lines are 4 itself indicates I need to use 2 power 4 by 1, which is nothing but 16 by 1 multiplexer. But the condition they have given is you should not use 16 by 1 multiplexer, you need to use 8 by 1 multiplexer. So in case of 8 by 1 multiplexer, number of select lines are is equivalent to 3. So you need to consider one of the select line way, that is one of the select line, that is 16 by 1 multiplexer consists of 4 select lines. One of the select lines should be considered as the input. So here what I am doing is I am assuming that assume MSB bit as input, means I am having A, B, C, D as select lines, but as 8 by 1 is having only 3 select lines, I am assuming B, C, D as select lines for which multiplexer? 8 by 1 multiplexer, and I am assuming that A is an input. If A is an input, this is A bar, this is A. And we need to write down 8 by 1 consists of 8 inputs D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. And here just no need to always write down the complete numbers, just write down 0 to 7 followed by 8 to 15. Even if you consider this is A bar, this is 0. D naught is 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0 is 0. This is A. This is 1. 1 followed by triple 0 is 8. D1 is 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0. 0, double 1. This is the way. Now whatever the numbers which are there in the question, just circle those numbers. So the numbers which are there in the question are 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9, 15. Now, if all of them are circled, it is 1. Here also all of them have circled 1. None of them has circled 0. Whichever is circled, write down the corresponding row. A bar. This is also A bar. None of them has circled 0. None of them has circled 0. And this is A bar is 0. A is 1. Just in order to understand that. Here this is A. So we need to draw what is the size of the multiplexer? 8 by 1 multiplexer. Select lines are B, C, D. And the other more is enable. If you are confused with this, do one thing. Just write down this as enable. How many inputs? D0, D1, D2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and output is 1. What is D0 value? 1. Short those D0 and D1 because of 1 and assume it, give it as 1. What is D2? 0. And D5, D6 is also 0. Short D5, D6 and D2 and connect it to 0. What about D3? D3, D4 are A bar. D3, D4 are short. Connect it to A bar. Which one is A? D7 is A. So this is A. From this give a NOT gate and connect this D3, D4. This is how to implement a given Boolean function by using an 8 by 1 multiplexer. Try to do some more problems based on these two. Implement F is equivalent to sigma m Till now we have seen the SOP expression without don't cares. Now let us see the same SOP expression with the don't cares. So let me take down f is equivalent to, before going for the don't cares, let me try to solve the problems with the SOP or sorry POS also. So f is equivalent to pi m 0 3 5 8 9 10 12 14. 10, 12, 14 using 8 by 1. So the highest number is 14. 14 equivalent is 1110. So here I require how many select lines? 4 select lines. Itself indicates the size should be 16 by 1. But the given is only 8 by 1. So we need to take one of the select line as the input. And the question till now it is sigma m, that is SOP expression, but now it is pi m. As we have know that the SOP and POS are quite opposite, so I can write down the same thing, f is equivalent to sigma m. Whichever the numbers which are not over here in case of POS, that will be in the SOP. So as it is a 4 digit, the numbers will be starting from 0 to 15. 0 is there, so we should not write down 0. 1, 2, 3 is over here, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there, 11, 12 is there, 13, 15. So this is an SOP expression. Now same thing, I am assuming that A, that is MSB as input. If MSB as input, this is A bar, this is A. As it is an 8 by 1 multiplexer, this is D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. And the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. And whichever the numbers which are there in the question, just circle those numbers. So an SOP is 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 11, 13, 15. Now the next is none of them has circle, so it is what? 0. This is circle, it is A bar, A bar, A bar, A bar, 1. Even though the question is POS, convert that POS into SOP and do the same procedure what we have done. Now, the last step is draw the logic diagram. D0, D1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Select lines are B, C. Output Y. If you want, you can write down enable. Now, what is D0? 0. D7, 1. Which are A bar? Which are A? D3, D5. Short D3 and D5 connected towards A. Short D1, D2, D4, D6. Short all those and connect through the NOT gate. This is how to implement a given POS expression by using a multiplexer circuit. Now, let me take down the next example with the don't cares. With the don't cares is one example, let us discuss, and let us discuss the other more, how to cascade the multiplexers in the same problem. So here, now let me take the don't cares are, that is f is equivalent to sigma m of 0, 2, 6, 10, 11, 2, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, don't cares of 3, 8 and 14 using 8 by 1 mux. Highest number is 14. 14 is 1110. That itself indicates 4 select lines, that is 16 by 1. But here we need to draw only the 8 by 1. As usual, I am taking MSB as input. MSB as input. A bar A, D naught, D1, D2, D3, because an 8 by 1 multiplexer consists of 8 inputs, that is 0 to 7. Write down the number 0, 1, 2 till 15. Procedure is same. Now, circle the numbers which are there in the question. So the question is 0, 2, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13. Also the circles of don't cares also. So the don't cares are 3, 8, 14. The only difference is along with the SOP, you need to circle the don't cares also, because we know that the don't cares are used in order to simplify the expression. If we are not circling this, I'll be getting here it is A. If I am circling this, I'll be getting it as 1. So 1 is minimum when compared towards the A. So here as both are circled, it is 1. None of them are circled 0. Both are circled 1. Both are circled. Here only one is circled A, 1, 0. The last step is same as that of the previous one. 8 by 1 mux, enable D naught, D1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Output is Y. The select lines are B, C. What is D naught? D naught, D2, D3, D6. D naught, D2, D3, D6. Short all those and connect it to 1. D4, D5 is A. D4, D5 is A. D7 is 0, D1 is also 0. D1 and D7 short and connect it towards 0. This is how to implement a Boolean expression with the don't case by using a multiplexer. Now let us see the last problem. How to implement a given Boolean function by using a multiplexer and along with the cascading operation. Here cascading itself indicates which is used in order to expand the size of a multiplexer. So the question is, we need to design f is equivalent to sigma m of 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, 12, 14 using 4 by 1 mux. This is 0. The highest number is 14, so the 14 equivalent is 1110, which represents 4 select lines, so the size should be 16 by 1. But the question they have given is you need to implement by using only a 4 by 1 multiplexer. So here what is the thing is, we can do in two different ways. The first one is take two of them as the inputs and two of them as the select lines. Or the second way is, you can take, you need to design a circuit in such a way that this is one 4 by 1 multiplexer, this is one 4 by 1 multiplexer. As we know that we have discussed how to cascade the multiplexers. This is D0, D1, D2, D3. This is having two select lines. This is also having two select lines. I am shorting those two select lines. I am making these two select lines as C and D. So these two select lines I am taking it as a two select lines C and D. And the other one is, as we know that this is also D0, D1, D2, D3. But here, if you take BCD, this will be, here you are having one enable pin, here also you are having one enable pin. If you are connecting the enable pin through the NOT gate, that is, if I am assuming this enable pin as active high, let me take this is B. If I am drawing through the NOT gate, one is enable and this is the other one. Now, if we take B, C, D, in this case B will be, I will be getting 8 from 0 to 7. But under first 4 I am having B value as 0. That is the reason I am connecting for the first enable pin B bar. As it is active high, I am connecting B bar. If enable is active low, connect directly, and for the second one not get. That is reverse operation. Now, when B is 0, C and D values are 0, 0. If B is 0, this enable pin is 1. As it is active high, whenever the enable is 1, then only the circuit is going to be function. As same B is connected towards here, the second will not function, only the first is going to be function. That is the reason I am connecting in this way. So for first, when B is 0, first will be enabled, when B is 1, second will be enabled. And here these two should be connected towards the OR gate, and this is a single output 1. How to represent this? This is the cascading operation which we have already discussed in the previous session also. Now, as A is the input, this is now these will become, as I have cascaded, this becomes D4, D5, D6, D7. If you have not cascaded, this will also be D0, D1, D2. This is A bar A, D0, D1, D2, D3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the numbers, write down the numbers 0 to 15. Next, circle the numbers which are there in the given question. 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, 12, 14. 0 is circle. A bar, 1, A bar, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. The last one is, already we have drawn what is D0, A bar. D2 is also A bar. D0 and D2, short these two. This is what? A bar. As A is not there, I am directly writing A bar. D1 is what? 1. D4, D6 are also ones. Short this D1, D4, D6 and give it to common 1. D3, D5, D7 are zeros. D3, D5, D7. All these three are zeros. This is how to implement a 4 variable SOP expression by using 4 by 1 multiplexer. So the number of variable represents the number of select lines. The other way, this is one way. The other way is, as I am saying, this as a 4 by 1 multiplexer. What I am doing over here is, I am taking here A, B as the inputs. Those, that is MSB bits as inputs. A bar, B bar. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. What is 0? A bar, B. A, B bar, A, B. And the inputs 4 by 1 is D0, D1, D2, D3. This is C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D bar, C, D. 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, same thing. Circle 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, 12, 14. If none of them has circle, what we have written? 0. If all of them are circled, 1 or whichever is circled. So how can I write this? A bar B bar plus A bar B plus AB. Or in this I can write down from the first two I can take A bar as common. So left over with B bar plus B plus AB. What is this? B plus B bar is 1. So I am getting A bar plus AB. Or according to one property, A plus A bar B equal to A bar plus B. So I can write down here A plus B. For D1, A bar B bar, that is by using laws and theorems you can simplify. So here this is A bar B bar plus A bar B plus AB. From these two I am taking A bar as common, B bar plus B plus AB. So A bar plus AB, this is the term which is related to D naught. For D1 which are circled, A bar B bar plus AB bar which is common, B bar is common. A plus A bar is 1. So D1 is B bar. Similarly, as D2 are both one and the same, I can write down D2 as A bar plus AB. Now, instead of cascading these, I can do the circuit diagram in such a way that just here I will be drawing a 4 by 1 multiplexer. 4 by 1. Select lines are CD. This is one enable. This is enable. What is this? D0, D1, D2, D3. What is D0? A bar plus AB. This is A bar, or I can write down as two inputs A bar, B, B bar. What is the expression? A bar plus AB. A, B. AB is one AND gate. Both these are connected to an OR gate. This is for which one? D naught. This is D naught. The same D naught is given to D2. So I am taking this and I am connecting to D2. What is D1? D1 is B bar. This is B bar. This is D1. And D3 is 0. This is how to implement a 4 by 1 multiplication. Again, you can do the first way or the second way. If you are doing the first way, first you need to understand how to cascade the multiplexers. If it is the second way, just circle those. As in the previous example, as there are only 2 rows, if all of them have circled 1, if none of them have circled 0, if only one of them circle, the corresponding variable we are writing. But in this case, as we are having 4 different rows, whichever the circle are there, write down the related terms, then simplify by using either laws or theorems, and whatever the simplified expression which we are getting over here, that can be drawn under the logic diagram. This is all about how to implement a combinational circuit using multiplexer. So just I'll summarize. In this case, if we are having the number of variables in the SOP expression is equivalent to number of select lines, you can directly draw the corresponding multiplexer circuit and you can write down the corresponding values as ones whichever the numbers given are question. If you want to reduce that is in the question, the maximum variables are 4. But if you want to design by using only 8 by 1 multiplexer, as the number of select lines are less, what you need to take, you need to consider either MSB or LSB as one of the input and then you need to follow the procedure. This is how to design any combination circuit using a multiplexer. So in this I have given examples how to implement an SOP expression, how to implement a POS expression, SOP along with don't cares as well as a cascading example. Thank you.